Alright guys, Sarge here, and today I won't be riding because somebody got some kind of insect bite on their leg. But anyways, down to the Z. Okay, we've done some other modifications. First thing we did was change out those big flippy floppy mirrors. Okay, added some ball ram mounts, how about that? And put a mirror on this one over here. Nice little spot mirror. And then, a Yoshimura exhaust. That's right. But I won't be riding this today. No, not me. But, oh, come on. Just take it away. Redneck rider, guys.
Okay, gals and fellers. This is Redneck Rider here, and Sarge is kindly enough to let me take out his slightly modified Z125. Oh my goodness, you know he did the mirror right there. Yep, look at that, isn't that cute? It's nice. It just, oh my God, you can see everything back there behind you. Because you know, once you're done building something like this, everybody gonna be behind you. Also, he went and did that Yoshimura exhaust on there. He told me he found it just to be the perfect in between a straight exhaust and something that's really restricted by the factory. I'm like, I got you on that. And as you can see, we have in this area cordoned off because we're in a top secret testing ground. All right, let's get down to business, y'all. Okay, first thing I'm gonna say is this much. This exhaust has got a nice tone to it. So you know when you're getting on a little bit. It lets you know what the back is doing. It's like, okay, Daddy, give it to me. And you're like, I'm giving it to you, baby. You can't feel it. Yeah, we ain't to the feeling part, but I'm certain Sarge is gonna get to the feeling part. That's for damn sure. Oh, look about. All right, here we is. We're gonna give her a rundown. Oh my goodness. She's hitting the limiter really quick now. I guess that's because she's opened up on the bottom end just a little bit. Just let me in. 51, 52, 53 miles an hour. Dang it. We's heading up this hill. 54, 55. He's steadily climbing. Oh my goodness. I believe this is what she needed. And Sarge said he's still got intake and stuff like that to do to her, and he's gonna keep her about a 125 too. He's gonna superstock her. Now, I'm gonna say this much: the wind is kicking butt, so I'm gonna tuck on down, and y'all can just watch. Now I'm a little skinnier than Sarge is, so you know that's why I'm doing about 63 or so. I don't know if y'all can see that. 4. Woo-wee! Dang, she's opened up a few miles an hour. I watched this video. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. And I think she got up there quicker. Man, these little bikes, the Grom, Z125, and I heard there's other companies come out with one. Y'all can watch Dodge Rider's video. He's got one on something. It's a little 150. Man, that thing looks badass. Oh man, we hit the red light again. All right, fellas, I don't like talking too much in front of the camera or with the camera, or, you know, with the camera and stuff like that. So I'm gonna cut this short. And hey, maybe he'll let me in on the next couple videos. Maybe. On that note, Sarge loves you. Oh, nice Mustang. On that, whoa. On that note, Sarge loves you. You know that. I gotta tell everybody that stuff. And Redneck Rider, I'm just enjoying life, people. Daggone straight. Horsies, what's going on, horsies?